To multiply the polynomials, we make a 4-box square. We put the 3x on the top with the positive 4, and then we put the 4x and the positive 5 down along the side. We multiply the 3x and the 4x to get 12x squared, multiply the 3x and the 5 to get 15x, multiply the 4x and the positive 4 to get 16x, and then multiply the positive 4 and the positive 5 to get 20. Since these x's are the same power, you know the 15x and the 16x can be added together for your equation for b. So you end up with 12x squared plus the 15 and 16x added together is 31x plus the 20. So that's your answer, 12x squared plus 31x plus 20. Now on this equation, we try factoring out or grouping method. To do this, we see what number we can take out of the 2x cubed plus 4x squared. The largest number we could take out of that is 2x squared. So we put 2x squared outside the parentheses, and then what's left of that would be x plus 2, because 2x squared times x is 2x cubed, and then 2x squared times 2 is 4x squared. So that's the same number. And then we do the same thing with the minus 5x and negative 10x. We can take a negative 5 out of there, and we end up with x and a positive 2, which that matches this, x plus 2. So we put the x plus 2 in parentheses, and then the 2x squared minus 5 in parentheses, and that is our answer. Now, using the AC method, we start with multiplying A and C, which is 3 and 12, or negative 12. So that gives us negative 36. And then we factor out trying to get two numbers which will equal a negative 16. So we could have minus 1 and 36, which would end up being a 35, minus 3 and 12, which ends up being a 9. But you end up getting minus 18 times a 2 equals a minus 16. So these are your three numbers, minus 18x, 2x, to get the 16x. So using that, we take the 3x squared, which is in the A, and we subtract 18x from that, and that is in one set of parentheses. And then we take the 2x and negative 12 to that, so we have a minus 12 for that. So that is our equation. Now we can simplify these by taking a 3x out of this one. So we have 3x, and then in the parentheses we end up with an x minus 6. And to simplify 2x minus 12, we can divide by 2 or put 2 out front, and you end up with x minus 6. So now again we have the 2x minus 6, so we put those in parentheses, and then multiply that by 3x plus 2. And that is our final answer.